Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix SSL error through the best method. So if you're getting an SSL error on your website or browser, in this guide I will show you the best methods to fix SSL errors quickly and get your site or connection back to normal. So, SSL error happens due to expired SSL certificate, incorrect date and time settings, browser cache or outdated settings, insecure or mixed content on a website, or server-side SSL misconfigurations. So, method 1 to solve this problem is checking your date and time. An incorrect date and time can cause SSL issues. Make sure that your device date and time are set to automatic. Simply click on date and time option at the bottom right if you're using a PC, and you should make sure that it is set correctly. If it doesn't, you'll have to simply correct it. Now, method 2 is clearing SSL cache or browser. Clear your browser cache and SSL state. Click on three-dotted icon at the top right. Click on settings. Now, choose privacy search and services. Scroll down, click on choose what to clear and select all these and click on clear now. Now, you can also navigate to Windows, search for Internet Options, then click on Internet Options under Control Panel. Here, you'll have to simply choose Content and click on Clear SSL State. After you click on Clear SSL State, you'll have to simply click on OK, and that could instantly fix your problem. Now, method 3 is trying a different network or VPN. So sometimes network settings block SSL. You can try switching networks or using a VPN to see if the issue persists. You can simply open any VPN available. I will suggest you to use Urban VPN. It is one of the best VPNs I've found. Simply search for Urban VPN under extensions, install it as an extension, choose the country that you want to connect to and click on the play icon. And that could instantly fix your problem. Now, I will show you how to fix SSL errors on your website. So, you can check if your SSL certificate is expired. You can renew it through your hosting provider or use a free SSL tool like Let's Encrypt. You can simply search Let's Encrypt and use this tool to fix the problem. Now, another way is fixing mixed content issues. So a website with both HTTP and HTTPS resources can create problems. So you can force HTTPS by updating links in your website code. Method 3 is enabling automatic HTTPS redirects. So in hosting settings, you can make sure automatic HTTPS redirection is enabled for full security. And that's how you fix SSL errors easily. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.